Now, if you got that all set and the papers, this feels good, get a scrap piece of paper. Let's see. One right over here. Put a piece of paper in, and then turn the roller. Don't do it super fast, but you can do it like that. Lift this bar up, put it underneath, and what I told you earlier on the right to make it loose so that there's no pressure on the back plate, do that. That way you can straighten out your paper, because there's no real guides. You straighten that out, then you can put the switch back down. Once you've evened it out on the top, lay it flat, push the paper a bit forward, and you got these scissor legs in the back. Put them up, because when you're typing, this will keep the paper from going all over the place, and you don't want that to happen, because if you're hitting it and then your letters get all messed up. Sometimes that happens. Let me try it with just hitting a few keys. And then when you do it later, sometimes it does mess it up, sometimes it doesn't. You can see right here. Doesn't do it too badly. But it is good to have those scissor leg pieces up. There we go. So once you got that all set, then you're pretty much ready to type. Put it all the way to the left, and you can type as long as you want until you get to the end of this page. Now do note, when you're writing, sometimes it's a great idea to make a little mark. Now as this goes in, it loops up, so make a little mark towards the bottom of the page with something. I'm using this pen, so that when you get towards there, you know that by that time you'll feel the paper starts to be loose. But when you get to there, you'll know, okay, I can't type anymore past that line, because if I do, the paper will fall out, and I will have probably most likely letters going up, and then it starts to tip and fall out. So do that, take it out. For storage, just basically put it back towards the middle, scissor legs down, loosen on the right hand side the piece I showed you earlier, that little switch, which is right here. So switch this little teeny switch up, this little switch on the side over here, right here. Put this switch up as well. So just remember, the switch is up, relax the chassis, carriage, and you're good, and you can store it for as long as you need to. And if you're storing it for a long time, there's some tips on links connected at the bottom of this video for proper care and maintenance of your lovely typewriter machines. In the next video, I hope to go on and tell you about the wonderful cleaning process of most typewriters and what to look out for. So until then, have a wonderful time from Vintage Tech 1. And we might even get over to typewriter art. Wouldn't you love that? You could try that too. Easy to look online, Pinterest, or anything else. Until next time, from me to you at Vintage Tech 1, have a lovely day. And remember, keep it retro.